You've probably seen it in the store before, like this one. But did you know you can make it at home?
The great part about this recipe is you can change up the flavors. One of my nutrition clients makes it with salt and vinegar.
We love roasted chickpeas because it's balanced with protein, carbs, and fat, and you don't have to refrigerate it. Let's go ahead and make it.
So that is the recipe for oven roasted chickpeas. But you can also make this in the air fryer.
I bet that makes it extra crispy.
Sure does.
You can find those directions on the recipe page and many other recipes. Check out healthystepsnutrition.com.